So I have a new series coming to you from Rochelle's Sewing Room. Yes, it's going to be called Fashion Friday. So what is Fashion Friday? It's all about seeing your favorite patterns come to life. Some you can imagine and some you can't. Even the simple ones, you just can't imagine what it's going to look like. Sometimes you just need an extra eye. That's what I'm here for. So follow me for Fashion Fridays starting on next week. Yes, that's starting on July the 15th, 2022, Fashion Friday. Be here. You won't want to miss it.